Classical Indian Philosophy, Advaita Vedanta, Ethics. The concept of Purusharthas. Purushartha is referred as the goal, the purpose, or the end of human life or existence. Etymologically speaking, the word Purushartha can be understood as Purusha, which means man, and Artha, which means objectives or purpose. Similarly, they are also known as the objectives of a human being or the pointers of human life. They are four in number. Number 1, Dharma. Number 2, Artha. Number 3, Kama. And number 4, Moksha. Number 1, Dharma. Dharma is the first goal or the first objective of human life. The concept of dharma has been understood differently by a number of people. Some understand it as one's duty, some understand it as one's faith, and some as the concept of justice. Dharma is also understood as the obligatory duty prescribed by the Vedas, where God is taken to be the upholder of the dharma. It deals with the notion of doing duty for duty's sake alone. Hence, it defines our roles, our duties, and our responsibilities in the society to uphold harmony and order. The Vedas and the Bhagavad Gita are regarded as the two important sources of dharma. Number 2, Artha. Artha is the second goal. It means material wealth and prosperity. It is important for the overall happiness and well-being of an individual and the society. The reason why it is regarded as the important objective is because, according to the scriptures, wealth is pursued for the sake of others and not for one's own selfish reasons. The desire for wealth is not the same as the desire for greed. The desire for wealth is for the betterment of the society, and the desire for greed is for one's own selfish reasons. Hence, aiming for Artha is a kind of virtue, for Artha upholds Dharma. According to the scriptures, Lord Vishnu is taken to be as the Lord of wealth. Number 3, Kama. Kama is the third objective of human life. Kama means pleasure. The concept of Kama can be understood in two ways, in the broad sense and in the narrow sense. In the broad sense, the concept of Kama deals with sensuous pleasure, and in the broad sense, it deals with desire, love, and emotions. In the broad sense, it deals with the aesthetic enjoyment of life without sexual connotation. According to the scriptures, Kama, in accordance with Dharma and Artha, takes a person on the journey towards the final end, that is, Moksha. Number 4, Moksha. Moksha is the fourth and the final objective of human life. Moksha means liberation, emancipation, release, or freedom from the cycle of rebirth that deals with suffering and pain. It is also called samsara. It is regarded as the most important objective because it is something which leads one to the world of Brahman. It is because of this reason moksha is regarded as both a Purushartha and a Paramartha. Paramartha means the final or the ultimate end or the final purpose. Hence, it is understood as emancipation, liberation, freedom, self-knowledge, and self-realization. Out of the four Purusharthas, Advaita Vedanta school focuses the most on the last or the fourth Purushartha, that is, Moksha. The first three Purusharthas are duly noted by the school, but they have been understood only as a means to realize the end, that is, Moksha or Brahman. Jnana Yoga. Shankara emphasizes on the importance of the path of Jnana Yoga for the attainment of liberation. In other words, according to him, Brahman can be realized only via the path of knowledge or Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga deals with three-step methodology. The three steps are: number 1, sravana or hearing. It means to listen to the teachings of the Guru, the sages on the Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, etc. Number 2, manana or reflection. It means to think or to ponder over the teachings of the sacred texts. In other words, it means self-contemplation or self-study, swadhyaya. Number 3, nididhyasana or repetitive meditation. It means to meditate and to introspect regarding the nature of absolute reality. The path of Jnana Yoga consists of 4 behavioral qualities. They are: number 1, Nitya Anitya Vasta Viveka. It is the ability to discriminate between the real and the eternal substance, or Nitya and Anitya, or unreal, non-eternal, changing, transitory substance. Number 2, Iham Bhuta Phala Bhoga Viraga. It is the ability to distance oneself, viraga, from the desires, passions, etc. that distract the mind. Mind, according to Shankara, must be kept free from all the obstacles in the pursuit of Brahman knowledge. Number 3, Samadhi Shakta Sampatti. It consists of 6-fold qualities which one must possess. They are: Sama, or mental tranquility; Dhamma, or self-restraint; Uparati, or dispassion towards everything; Titiksha, or endurance and perseverance; Shraddha, or devotion of faith in texts; Samadhana, or intenseness or attentiveness of mind. Number 4, Mumukshutva. It is the ability to develop a positive eagerness or longing for Brahman knowledge. Questions. Number 1. Lord Vishnu is considered as the Lord of A. Dharma, B. Karma, C. Artha, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is C, that is Artha. Wealth is a kind of virtue, for Artha upholds Dharma. According to the scriptures, Lord Vishnu is taken to be the Lord of wealth. Question 2. Advaita Vedanta focuses the most on which Purushartha? A. Artha, B. Dharma, C. Kama, D. Moksha. The correct answer is Moksha. Out of the 4 Purusharthas, Advaita Vedanta school focuses the most on the last or the 4th Purushartha, that is Moksha. Question 3. Jnana Yoga consists of dash behavioral qualities according to Shankara. A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. None of these. The correct answer is C, that is 4. Question 4. Manana means A. Hearing, B. Reflection, C. Meditation, D. All of the above. The correct answer is reflection. Sravana means hearing, manana means reflection, and nididhyasana means repetitive meditation. Question 5. Samadhan, Uparati, Titiksha, Shraddha, and Samadhana come under A. Nitya Anitya Vasta Viveka, B. Iham Murtha Phala Bhoga Viraga, C. Samadhi Shakta Sampatti, D. Mumukshutva. The correct answer is C, that is Samadhi Shakta Sampatti. Samadhi Shakta Sampatti consists of 6-fold qualities which, according to Shankara, everybody must possess. They are Sama, Dhamma, Uparati, Titiksha, Shraddha, and Samadhana.